Hey everyone, welcome to Julia TV. So today I'm going to show you how to do makeup for your warm tone. Okay, I'm a fan of warm tone. I'm actually a fan of cool tone, but I'm also a fan of neutral tone. Okay, because I'm neutral tone. Okay, how do you know whether you're warm tone or cool tone? You can look at your vein color. If your vein color is warm tone, you are green color. If your vein color is blue, you are cool tone. If you have two vein colors, you are neutral tones. But this is only a very general way of looking at your colors, right? Because if you change your hair color or if you tan your skin, right, then there's another tone. So you heard about spring, summer, autumn, winter colors? Yeah, so next time around I'll do a spring, summer, autumn, winter colors. So today, right, I'm going to show you warm tone makeup. So today I wear a warm tone color outfit, you can see, okay? So this one is a very warm tone because it has gold, yellow, it has brown. So today, right, I'm going to share with you how to do a warm tone color look. So first thing first, as usual, I'm going to put my primer first. Primer primes your makeup, make it long lasting. And then if you have pores area, very visible area, okay, you would put in more on the T-zone area. So for me, my pores, visible pores will be at the T-zone area, so I put more, okay. Second, how do you match your liquid foundation? So normally I will make sure it matches my neck area. Naturally my skin is quite flush, so I'm going to choose this ivory tree color, okay. And for me, because I have combination but more prone to dryness, so I tend to use my normal to dry skin liquid foundation. I mix with my purple color liquid foundation. I mean purple, that means combination to oily skin matte liquid foundation, so that it gives me that kind of mattifying but yet shine at the same time. So I'm going to mix together. So I use the same shades. So for me, right, I like to, you can use your brush or you can use your sponge. So I'm using brush here. I'm actually not a fan of using brushes. Actually, I'm more using my hand because I'm much more dexterous this way if I use my hand. Ta-da! So if you want full coverage, you can. If you want medium coverage, you can. It's buildable. And then normally I put powder only in my T-zone area. So if your skin is quite dehydrated, right, I advise you to do your mask twice a week and then do more hydration masks. Okay. So if you want to know how to do hydration mask, you can look at my video on my YouTube. It's easier for you to see. Okay, done. Okay, then after that, right, I'll put a little bit of the powder. I will use my loose powder. This is Mary Kay one. It gives you a bit of glow and it's very fine. So it's equivalent to those HD powder that you can see outside, you know, and it's cheaper. So I like to keep this shine and this part matte. So if you're uncomfortable with doing the brushing downwards for powder, you can do like this. So it gives you more coverage if you want. Okay, so trust me, my skin was not like that in the past, okay? It wasn't that perfect, but because of the Mary Kay products that I used for the last 9 years, it really helps. So warm tone color, what sort of warm tone color do I use? So I will use this one in my next video, okay, when I change an outfit. So these are all warm tone color, okay? So this is all warm tone. I go crazy in Japan, okay? Don't judge me. Okay, this is our warm tone color. This is also warm tone color. Okay, and these are all warm tone color. So this is Mary Kay palette, warm tone color. So I love to use all this different eyeshadow look. So today, right, I'm going to do a simple warm tone color look, which you can use it for everyday use, for dates, for going out to work. Yeah. So first thing first, I'm going to draw my eyebrows first. Okay. So first thing first, I'm going to use my eye primer. Eye primer helps to prime your eye makeup, make it long lasting. Okay, you know that I'm a fan of highlighter, right? So I was traveling in Japan back then, and I bought this from the airport, and it gives me a lot of highlighting effect. So I like to use this highlighting powder. And then okay, you can see a bit of shine already. Okay, then after that, right, I like to use this highlighter. I mean not highlighter, sorry, contouring pencil. So if your nose are big like mine, right, you can use this one. So I'll draw a little bit of fleck. Ta-da! Okay, and then I'll blend. So make sure you blend. You can use your hand to blend, or you can use your brush to blend, up to you. So by doing this, I will have sharper nose. So if you're wondering how come Juju got sharper nose, right? Because I cheat. I use my contouring stick. Can you see my nose smaller already? And then I will still use my highlighting powder for my nose. So from afar you can see I have sharper nose. Okay. So this contouring stick that we have is limited edition, available only this month, and it's very cheap. I think about $20. So if you're interested, you can let me know. This is waterproof also, so you can actually draw. If you want a sharper feature. So you see, a sharper contouring. So if you want to know how to use this contour stick, you can come to my class. I'll teach you how to do it. Because you know, if you watch video, it may not be so obvious. You can see the effect. So it gives you a much more sharper face. So I just want to see that I blend properly. But I didn't blend properly, so we just have to make sure you blend properly. And then if you can use the loose powder to brush through. Ta-da! I'm done. Can you see? The features are sharper. Alright, good. So next, right, I'm going to show you how to do my brows. So for me, right, I will use my brow pencil here, and I'll use, because I dye my hair like slightly lighter color, so I'm going to use my colored brows mascara. So normally I will draw my outline of my brow first. For brows, right, it's very hard to learn on the video, right? So if you can come to my class, I'll teach you how to do it. And then I'll put a little bit of the mascara brow color. There, I'm done. Okay, then after that, right, you can use your highlighting powder. Okay, I'll use my highlighting powder. To give my brows 3D look. So this how I cheat. Make sure that's the correct color, correct length. Ta-da! I'm done. Okay, good. So next, right, I'm gonna do is I'm going to use this gold color first. Okay, because I know that the other shadow that I use is quite pigmented, so I'm gonna use this base to lighten. This, and then I'm gonna use this one. Okay, so if you wanna create those Korean look, right, you can use this one. See? So I'm gonna use this more for my warm tone makeup. Ta-da! Then if you are satisfied with this look, right? Normally if for day look, right, I just do like that if I'm in a rush. Okay. But if I'm not in a rush, right, I can put actually slightly a different color, maybe something more orangey. You can put your eyeliner and eyeshadow. Okay, but I thought like today I'll be more creative a bit. See? This is a little bit of tip that I learned from the Japanese. Just like that, and then after that you can put your eyeliner. If you want, you can actually use a brush like this as your eyeliner if you are not very good in drawing eyeliner. What I like is because it gives you a very nice definition when you do the angle. Ta-da! So you see I draw longer. Okay, I'm going to do the other side. I'm done with the two eyeliner. Okay, good. Then after that, right, I'm going to add my brown, a bit of brown at the bottom for that definition. So my eyes look bigger, but you know, no longer you line all the way up, you just line here will do so that the eyes look bigger. Okay, so this is how you cheat to have bigger eyes. Okay, then after that I put a little bit of my blusher. So for blusher color, you can choose either this kind of color as a blusher or this kind of color as a blusher. It's more suitable for warm tone color. Actually, this one more neutral tone actually, but this one more warm tone color. So because I am neutral tone, so I can take any colors that I wanted to. And then after that, for lipstick, right, you can choose, for this look, if you want, you can choose red lipstick, or you can choose something like a flesh tone color or coral tone color, like this kind of coral tone. Sorry, I picked the wrong color just now. Red color, and this one, and this one. So just now I used this one for this look. So for this look, warm tone, you can pick this kind of color for lipstick. So this is my warm tone look. How do you like it? So if you want if you're daring, you can change your lipstick color to red color. So I'm going to change for you. So for red lipstick, right, I always use a red lip liner. And then I pencil it through, because like that it lasts longer. And then also if you eat right after dinner, you will not have just that line on your lips. So take note, if you are putting on red lipstick, right, your blusher don't have to be that strong. It can be very nude, or you can skip the blusher part. So this is the warm tone for red lips. So if you want very natural color, I can do it as well. I'll show it to you. This is the natural nude look. So it really depends on what kind of effect that you want. So this is the 3 looks that I did for warm tone makeup. So I hope that you like this video. Please share and subscribe to my channel. I look forward to seeing you soon in my next video. Bye!